Okay, we're asked to solve minus x squared plus 6x minus 4 equals 0. Give your answer to one decimal place. Now, if we look at this first here, this is a quadratic. Okay, and if we look at it straight away, it's called guide number. Now, unfortunately, guide number is not going to work here because the fact that they say one decimal place, there's a more complicated way of solving it rather than guide number. And it's called the minus b formula. It's in your logbook, okay? And here's the formula, okay? And there's x at the start. So this will solve this quadratic for you, okay? So what we need to do is find what a, b, and c is. Now a quadratic is wrote as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the a is the number always in front of the x squared, the b is always the number in front of the b, is x, and the c is always the number at the end. Okay, so in this case, what's the number in front of the x squared? Well, it's minus something, minus 1 we call it. The number in front of the x is 6, and the number in front of the number at the end is c, which is minus 4. So now we apply the formula. So x is equal to minus b, so it's minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 bracket minus 1 bracket minus 4 all over 2 times minus 1. So it's minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36. Now I multiply these three together. So minus 4 by minus 1 is plus 4 by minus 4 is minus 16 all over minus 2. So keep going. Minus 6 plus or minus square root of 20 over minus 2. Okay. So where do we go from here? So just write it up here again. Basically there's going to be two answers here. Okay, but I can use my calculator for both. So it's minus 6 plus root 20 over 2, and it's minus 6 minus root 20 over 2. So there's where my two answers are going to be. X is going to be equal to both of these. Okay? Okay, so using the calculator then, you work this out to be x is equal to, you put that into the calculator like that, you get 0.7639, and if you put this one into the calculator, you get x equals minus 5.236. So they ask for one decimal place, okay? So that becomes x is equal to 0. We'll always look at the second decimal place to determine what the decimal place is, 0.8, and x is equal to minus 5.2, because if you look at 3, that doesn't move the 2. So there's my two answers for this equation.